Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss some important stock market update, important data which came this week, last week. Along with that, I will discuss some important upcoming Q4 results, dates, and update. And we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart also, and we'll discuss the important key levels for Nifty 50 for next week. So to know all these things, all information, stock market update, and important level for Nifty 50 for next week. Stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update, important stock market update, and stock in news update. So let's start video. But first of all, let me uh, tell you that I have already posted the video for the Bajaj Finance, which is going to give important thing is split, bonus, dividend, all thing is explained in detail with example in this video. I will give that video in I button and even link also. You can go in description box also. You can go and check the video. You should definitely see this video before the record date, before the dividend record date, and all you should know about the Bajaj Finance corporate action. You should definitely go through with that video. With that, I also mentioned that this is the Nifty 50 level video. The Nifty bank level, I'm going to post that video tomorrow, and this video I'm posting today, and that video Nifty bank levels I'm going to post tomorrow. Please go through that video also to know both the index levels for coming week. So please go through that video also for tomorrow. And for Bajaj Finance, you definitely should know all about the Bajaj Finance which they are going to give to their shareholder. So now let's start the video with this today's video. And I will start with the important data which came this week, last week, on day before yesterday, and which is GST data. Yes, the GST data has come and it is all time high. GST collection is at all time high, and it is for April GST collection, it is at 12.6%. It is up 12.6% Y on Y, year on year, at 2.36 lakh crore. So GST collection is now at 2.36 lakh crore पे आ गया है, which is up by 12.6% compared to last year. And last year it was at 2.10 lakh crore. तो लास्ट ईयर इट वाज 2.10 लाख करोड़ पे था, जो कि अभी 2.36 लाख करोड़ पे आ चुका है. एंड दिस इज a good jump in GST collection, and it is also at all time high. So this data was important to share. And after that, the important thing which I am sharing, which is FIIDI's data. And now this is also a good news that FI has also continuously last 2 week 15 days, almost 15 days, they are continuously buying, and that is a good news for the stock Indian stock market actually. And FII's net buy for the last Friday I'm talking about, which is 2770, around 70 crore, 2770 crore. Then FIIs has bought and the DI has bought at 3219, around means 3300 crore के around DIS ने भी buy किया. तो DIS also has started buying since last 2-3 days. Earlier they were selling. So this is the important FIIs DIS data which is important to discuss, because now FIIs started continuously buying in our Indian stock market, which is showing the strength of the Indian stock market. There is no, like, no tension, no concern. But yes, I will discuss the level in chart where you should be actually you should be aware about those levels, and you should watch those levels. So this is a good news. FII guys buying is a good news. So net buying is 6,060 crore around. So this is a good news. Now, 2 3 more thing I will discuss, which is Q4 result. तो Q4 result में if we discuss last week, Marico Godrej Property, they have posted their earnings, Q4 earnings, and the result was quite okay, not very uh, good, but yes, not bad also. And but important result is going to come today, which when I'm making this video on Saturday morning. So this today itself, SBI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, DMart, and fourth number is CDS. Next week, coming week, 6th of May, also the BSC is also going to post their Q4 earning. So these three four important company, the upcoming result is scheduled, which you should know, and you should keep watch on those results, Q4 results. Let's go to the chart and we'll discuss the Nifty 50. We'll analyze the chart, we'll understand the chart first, and then we'll will predict the levels for next week. So it is very important, please, I have drawn all these line, and please you should understand very carefully that what I want to actually show you all that. This is the chart, and you can see from here the Nifty 50 continuously consecutively going upside, taking upside, and till here it has started consolidating. Okay, here it has taken little bit pause, and after that it was fall little bit, not that much. But yeah, this day, on 25th April, it was a good fall happened in Nifty 50. But again on Monday, in this week, Monday. So we are talking about this. I have already shared in my last week video. So it was looking like it is starting to fall, but the Monday, it has recovered and totally recovered. It has made a bigger candle than this big red candle, and it has shown a good reversal from here, we can see. So please carefully watch these lines which I have drawn, which is very important. This is actually forming a good flag, we can say pennant pattern, पेनेंट जैसा बन रहा है. एंड दिस फ्रॉम हियर कितना अच्छा रिकवर हुआ है निफ्टी 50. इवन यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल, इवन मोर देन 9-10% it has been recovered. And from here it was little bit consolidating. On Friday, if you see this candle, the actually good movement happened in Nifty 50. But from here it was actually up by at 24,590 और around 24,600 तक ये फ्राइडे को चला भी गया था at this level. But from here the good seller has taken control, and from here the good selling arisen. And from here the Nifty 50 went down and even closed. You can see this pennant upper trend line, and this line, you can see this upper line of this pennant, and here it was taking a resistance which is 24,003, we can say 400, round figure, we are taking round figure. It is 24,400 around. It is taking resistance, and from here if we see downside, this trend line, this the downside of the pennant, this trend line is a good support, has become a good support for Nifty 50. Okay, so this is looking a good pennant structure, and the Nifty 50 is taking support at this trend line. And here, yeah, it went down till here, which is 23,800, which also I have drawn this line also, which is very important to keep in watch, that 23,000 is 800. 23,800 is a good final support, can be at least for the next week or coming some week. This 23,800 will be a very good support if any big bad news is not coming. And all the geopolitical condition is happening around, so we should be actually aware and keep close watch on that news also. So you should be aware with those news also. So this 23,800 will be a very strong support that I have drawn this line. But before that, I have a 2 3 important key levels also which you should note down, and you should keep watch on those labels before this important level. So first of all, this 24,200, a very slight, we can say a good 24,200 is a good important support, can be for the nifty 50, can be for next week. This you can see many time it was taking here support here to 24,200. But yes, it may be taken out, maybe broken for the next week, and can come till this 24,100 के पास भी आ सकता है. But 24,200 is a very important good support. And after breaking this 24,200 or 24,150, yes, अगर ये trend line break होता है तो immediately it will come to this 23,800 level. Yes, 24,000 is also a psychological support, but it may be taken out, it may be broken by the nifty 50. So this is important support I'm talking about, and I hope you got this is very very clearly. अगर ऊपर पे देखें तो दिस ट्रेंड लाइन आई हैव डिस्कस्ड व्हिच इज 24,400. yes, this can be a good resistance for the nifty 50, but this is not very very big support, because already nifty 50 once has broken this level, has gone even above that this 24,400 level, touched the 24,600 and then again came back down. So this is not very 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 strong or strong resistance. It may be broken also above side. Next week we can only uh, we can only discuss both side of things, like what nifty may do. अगर ऊपर गया तो क्या कर कहाँ तक जा सकता है, and नीचे गया तो कहाँ तक जा सकता है. So both the option is available. And downside I have told already. Resistance पे अगर 24,400 which is important resistance, already once have been broken but did not close above that. So if this line has been broken, which 24,400 has been broken, it may go immediately, may go to the 24,800, because 24,600 already the has been touched by the nifty 50. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर हॉल्ट कर सकता है, इट मे टेक सम पॉज हियर, बट यस इट मे रीच टू द 24,800 which is important resistance. Even earlier also you can see here 1 2, even before that it was a good support, it is very very important. 24,800 is a very important resistance. Key level which I have discussed, support side 24,200 which is first support, not very strong, but yes, first support 24,200. उसके बाद 24,000 एक psychological support भी हो सकता है. And then after that the 23,800 will be a last support for the, at least for the short term. And these three key levels, and अगर ऊपर साइड में जाए तो 24,400 is a resistance which already the nifty 50 is facing. And after that yes 24,600 के बाद 24,800. the 2 3 important key levels I have discussed. Please you keep these levels in your mind, because in final I am going only give the final support resistance, but here I am discussing 2 3 key levels which is very important. So nifty 50 important level for next week can be support 23,800 after breaking 24,200, and resistance 24,800 after breaking 24,400. So this was all I can discuss in detail. The information I have discussed, the important data, important Q4 upcoming Q4 results, and the Nifty 50 chart, and finally I will repeat the level again for the Nifty 50 for the next week. support 23,800 and resistance 24,800 after breaking 24,600. So like and share the video for the more reach. Subscribe the channel for regular index levels update, important stock market update and stock in news update. And I have already posted the Bajaj Finance stock in news with all the detail explained in this video of split bonus and Q4 results and dividend. So please go through that video and yes, signing off.